Hello, my name is Mr. Andrew Lai. I'm in Turkish Maarif schools here in Arusha. I'm teaching in social studies and civics in class 4, and today I'm going to teach you social study. The topic is going to be about weather. We are going to see the weather meanings, we are going to see the elements of weather, we are going to see as well as the instruments of weather. Welcome. Now, welcome to our lesson, social studies. As I told you, we are going to see about weather. We have the weather condition. Weather by itself is the condition of air, or we call it atmosphere, around us, which is recorded for a short period of time. We have also knowing that weather can be changed in different times, can be changed in hours, can also be changed from day to day. Now, we have the elements of weather. Weather elements are as follows. We have the temperature, we have the sunshine, we have the rainfall, we have the humidity, we have the atmospheric pressure, we have clouds, we have winds. The elements of weather can be observed every day, from morning to evening, or can be from day to day, or can also be from hour to hour. Temperature is the condition whereby the weather can be cold or hot. Sunshine. This can be observed through sun. We can see the sun is rising from the morning to evening. So you can see sunshine throughout the day. Rainfall. This element of weather can be observed when there is formation of clouds which cause rainfall. Humidity is one of the elements of weather. It is how the atmosphere contains the formation of air to be condensed with water, or the droplets. Atmospheric pressure. This is observed how the certain area contain what we call it the heavy air or the thinner air in a certain place. Clouds. Clouds can be observed at any time. You can see the sky, or sometimes you can see the clouds. We have winds. Winds can be recorded with wind instruments. We are going to see it later. Winds can be also observed by eyes. You can see the movements of trees or sometimes grasses. You can see the way they are moving. That shows that there is a formation of wind. Okay, now, as you have seen the elements of weather, I'm going to show you how can you observe the effects of weather in your certain area, in your area. I'll use just 3 examples from these elements of weather. Let's take temperature. You can see sometimes the weather is hot. That means the temperature is high. Normally, when the temperature is high, we put on light clothes. We don't put heavy clothes, we just put on the light clothes. We can put maybe singlets, t-shirts, etc. If the temperature is low, that means there is a coldness. We have to put things like jackets, sweaters, and something else. Now, sunshine is a time when you can observe the sun. If it is not covered with the clouds, or the sun is covered with the clouds. So, sometimes when the sun is too much shining, we say sunshine. People find the shades. They just go under the shades. And this one is one of the effects of the weather. Rainfall. During the heavy rain, we normally put on things like rain boots. We also put the jackets, etc. These are some of the effects of weather. Okay, now we are going to observe the weather instruments. How can these instruments used to record different weather elements? We saw that the first weather element was temperature. Here we record temperature by using thermometer. Okay? We are going to see thermometer, which is here. You can see it is written either in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. So the thermometer is used to record temperature. Another instrument is called sunshine recorder. This one is used to record the sunshine itself. The sunshine recorder, you can see like here. It is a ball. It is a ball lens like. So the sun rays are recorded through these bars, the half cycle bar. The rays are getting inside through this lens board. So it can be recorded as from morning to evening, how the sun is affecting. Behind this bar, there is a paper which is used to record the sunshine. If the sun is too much shining, that means that paper is going to burn a lot. So you can observe sunshine throughout the day. The other instrument is called the rain gauge. Rain gauge is used to record rainfall. And the rain gauge, as you can see it here, it is measured by millimeters. The instruments you can see like that, and it's recorded by millimeters. The other instrument is called an anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument that is used to record the strength of the wind, how the speed of the wind is running in a certain place. So the instrument which is recording the wind speed is called an anemometer. We have the hygrometer. Hygrometer is an instrument that is used to record the atmospheric pressure. You can see there. It looks like a clock, but it's not a clock. This is an instrument used to record atmospheric pressure. The other instrument is called barometer. Barometer, as you can see there, this instrument, it is one of the, it looks like the same of hygrometer, but it's used to record the pressure of a certain place. Okay? It is used to record the pressure of a certain place. Now, wind vane. Wind vane is used to record the direction of the wind. Where does the wind move in? You have the four directions in the compass. We have the north, we have the south, we have the east, we have the west. So this arrow line will show the direction of which the wind is moving. So wind vane is one of the instruments which is used to record the wind direction. Now, clouds. Clouds, we don't have instruments here, but you can observe them outside. Always we observe the clouds by our naked eyes. Okay? So these are the elements of weather. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for our lesson today. I hope you have enjoyed very much. In case you have any comments, please just comment to our channel. And for those who can have an access, find this book for Standard 4. Please, you can see the topic of weather inside this book. You are mostly welcome.